You can see that many people are very good technically. They have very good degrees, they have much of experience, but especially as FAO is also a kind of a forum for nations to be able to meet and discuss, it's very important to develop leadership skills and negotiation skills. And this is often that you find the technical people don't have them, and therefore specific training in this field is very important. So this is talking on FAO, but the same you find also in countries. For example, nowadays the negotiations ongoing in the World Trade Organization, in the Codex committees, especially developing countries need to be aware how to forward their needs and requirements, and to be able to discuss as equal partners also with other countries that are present.
I really believe it's important, and GIFSO I think is really very much on the right track in helping to put leadership skills in groups of managers and leaders that look especially at the interface of human and animal health. So I think it's a critical lead in critical need in leadership that we've seen that has emerged. We see that in public health, animal health, environmental health, and it's more than just technical and scientific competence. It's the ability then to lead people, to influence, to people to make decisions in a world that is very much interconnected. And I think leadership styles and skills then become one of the most important skill sets that we can have to actually move agendas forward. So one of the things I believe in is that leadership is not just positional. It's not just somebody who's a CEO or head of an organization. It's a skill set for people in many areas of the global food systems. So leadership is actually based on the situation. So many people need to have leadership skills at certain points in time. So it's really important that they equip themselves with these skills. So as we approach these very complex and difficult issues, that people across the spectrum of global food systems actually have skills to be brought to the table to actually make good decisions and actually lead in food safety, food security, and safe food worldwide. I think another really critical skill that we see is what we call meta leadership. And that is a kind of a new strategy that we're learning in the US in particular, in how we lead across organizations. The ability to lead where you don't necessarily have authority, and the ability to pull groups together. The third part of critical leadership is actually in the ability to pull teams together. And it is leadership in terms of not just leading as an individual, but facilitating groups to move ahead.